Yo, we've got the first order of the day. This is Burgerville, $9 going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for IHOP going 6.5 miles. We're also doing earn by time today, and the current rate is $17.50 an hour. You drove here? Got your license? Thank you. Thank God I am on earn by time, because that was like a 20-minute wait. Ooh, good tip on that one. Total ended up being $16, and apparently it only took me about half an hour to do that order, so that's pretty good. Next up, we've got a stack, looks like going to the same person. We've got Angel's Donuts and McDonald's going about 9 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Slap that like big cat.
Total for that ended up being $11. Not very good, considering the mileage. Next up, we've got a Gravity Coffee going 5 miles.
All right, here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Have a good day.
You too. Almost felt bad about not moving the other drop-off's food because it was right in front of the door. And then I completed the order and realized they didn't tip. Total ended up being $3 and change. Got the next order right away. This is Wendy's going 4 miles. Looks like they're giving me an add-on Wendy's. Might as well take it since I'm gonna be waiting anyways. Going an extra 1 mile. This is really cool. This is really great sprinkler use. I'm getting sprayed the whole time through the drive-thru.
Here's the first one. Here's the drinks. Here you go.
Thank you. Was there a straw in the bag?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. At least the wait wasn't long today, for once. Total for those two ended up being $14 and change, and it only took 25 minutes. Not bad, not bad. Next up, we've got a McDonald's going 2 miles. Yep. Thank you. I'm just gonna assume this does not have a tip on it because it's 1 sausage McMuffin and some hash browns. Yeah. Oh, it's a hand it to me. Oh, you're cringe. Cringe.
No, get back in here. She don't. Oh, quit. Go on, go, get back in here, Rufus. Come on, guys. Get in here. I'm gonna bite. Yeah, I'll bite. I'll bite, Bill.
Oh, they did end up tipping. Total ended up being $6. And we got the next order right away. This is gonna be for a place called Richland Hub. I think this is a coffee shop. This is going 7 miles. Morning. Thank you.
I'll go grab a good one.
Total for that one was $9 and change, and we got the next one right away. This is Krispy Kreme going 3 miles.
We're gonna do 3 dozen, 2
You got 3 bags.
I'll come back for that last one.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. I currently have 18 dozen donuts in my car. How many of you can relate? If you couldn't tell, they gave me an add-on order. This one's going an additional 5 miles. Okay, this makes sense. I'm dropping this off at a church.
I can help you find the way.
Appreciate it. Do you mind holding one? Is that possible?
Oh, yeah.
He's got 3 bags, that's why. Thank you.
Okay.
Got it.
Whoa. Where are you taking?
Thank you. Ooh, that was not that great. Total ended up being $12. I feel like for the amount of product that I just moved, should have been a little higher than that, but whatever. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $9 going 4 miles. Yep, that one's mine. Thank you. Got the next order right away. We've got a Starbucks going just under 4 miles. Total for that one was $8. And we got the next order right away. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $11 going 4 miles, 3 items. This is probably that. Let me scan them just to be sure.
Whoops.
Yep, that one's that. And then. Yep.
Perfect. Hey, same birthday.
Nails.
Oh, thank you. All right, on to the next one. We've got a Black Rock coffee going 2.5 miles. Is this for Josh?
Yes, it is. There you go.
Thank you. Good old no tipper. Total ended up being $2 and change. Love that. Next order just came in. We've got a Champ Pizza going just under 5 miles. Hello. Got Michael. Thank you. Total for that order was $10 and change. Pretty good, pretty good. And we got the next order right away. This is Krispy Kreme going 6.5 miles. Thank you.
It's the only one I had, so I assume.
Gotcha. Total for that one was $10 and change. Next order up, we've got Noodles and Company going 5 miles. Thank you. No tip. Total ended up being $3 and change. Next up, we've got a Starbucks going 5 miles.
DoorDash for Mason.
Thank you. Go. Of course, it's downstairs. It's always downstairs. That one ended up being $6. And on that note, I think I'm calling it here. Well, I'm only calling it here for you guys because my batteries are dying. I think I'm gonna keep going for a little bit. Current time is 11:38. Total, we are at 152. Pretty good day today. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.